Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to foil with the Silhouette Cameo 4. However, you can also use the portrait or any other machines that you do have that support a sketch pen. The best part is that you do not need a mink or a laminator to get the foil to transfer. And so let's get into the video. My name is Kay and I love making cards, crafting with my Cameo 4, and sharing money-saving tips and tricks. Today we will be using the pen adapter by Silhouette, and I am using the gray adapter, which is the large one. And I'm also using the Sakura brand Quickie glue pen. This is my favorite for any type of glue designs with my Silhouette Cameo. I will be using a popsicle stick, making sure it is not too thick. That way the design does not get smushed all over the paper. So you're going to grab your popsicle stick and place it right under your Quickie glue pen, making sure that the tip of the pen is touching your popsicle stick, acting as a barrier. Okay, so after you do that, make sure that there are no gaps in between the carrier and the white part of your adapter, and just start twisting. Okay guys, so starting in Silhouette Studio, I actually have a rectangle here that I created mimicking my cardstock. It actually measures 5 3/4 by 3 3/4, but you use what you have on hand. And I have placed it in between the 5 and the 11-inch mark because that's where the rollers of the Cameo, I moved them out the way so they won't touch that area. That way my glue will not smudge, because trust me, it could become an issue if it does. All right, so we're taking this Merry Christmas sentiment. It's a single line design, meaning it would not cut around the letters or anything. It's good only to sketch, okay? So what I'm doing is selecting everything together. We're gonna go over to the offset panel or the offset tool, select offset. I'm gonna leave it exactly where it is. I'm not gonna move it, and yes, it should have the rounded edges. Go ahead and change the line color to yellow or any other color that is different, and go ahead and click apply. Now what you do now is move this out of the way and right click over your offset and release compound path. What that's going to do is going to separate everything for you, so you can move just the outline towards one side, and that's the only thing that we're using today. Delete the rest of it out of the way and center your outline to your design. Then move them both together on top of your cardstock mock-up. So what's gonna happen is that once you go to send, I've already done this, so I'm not gonna actually click it, but I'm just gonna show you. So right now I have only the black line selected, which is perfect. You should see here your sketch tool. Let me see if I can just change it for you. Okay, so in a few moments you should see it pop up with the sketch tool right here, or the sketch option. I just wanted to show you how it should look exactly. All right, it's connecting, and make sure that you're doing the line, that you click on the line tab, deselect all lines except your sketch. So with only the sketch selected, make sure that you have auto sketch under action right here. And so continue on with your settings. For the Quickie glue pen, I like to go with a 2, force. And for speed, honestly, I go up to 10 speed, okay? Only one pass, and everything else stays the same, you guys, okay? You would go ahead and click send. Once that's over, okay, once it's completely done with your sketch, you can go ahead and change your sketch tool or your pen holder tool into your auto blade or any blade that you're currently using with your Cameo. And let's go ahead and deselect our black lines and go ahead and select your yellow line. And so you're gonna go ahead and cut, do your settings depending on your own material. And if you do not have a die cutting machine, please go ahead and fast forward to the next step. But if you do, stay with me. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very quick and easy. Simply place down your cardstock facing up with your foil on top of it. Dull or ugly side touching your glue. Always that side touching your glue, okay? Once you have it done, simply complete your sandwich as if you're die cutting anything and run it through your die cutting machine. Right now, I am just taking a bone folder, as I'm showing you right here, and I'm simply going to rub over my foil. I don't need to do it too harshly or anything. Just make sure that you rub it all over the foil and simply remove it to reveal the design underneath. Now, I made this design by hand, so obviously the pressure was not the same as the one made with the Cameo. So this was just to show you how to transfer it without the die cutting machine. So guys, here you can see how it looks like transferred with a bone folder. I'm sure you could use anything you have handy to apply pressure as well, so do not feel discouraged. And that actually concludes the video. If you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as hit the notification bell so you don't miss any Cameo tips and tricks in the future. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and keep crafting, guys. Bye-bye.